What's going on, guys? And welcome back to yet another video. I greatly appreciate all the love and support. And today we're going to be talking about cars, the used auto industry. All right. And we're going to be looking at Carvana, which, if you've been paying any attention at all, Carvana has taken a major hit this year, given that used car prices really just hit the stratosphere. Used cars in value, used cars went up as high as 30 to 40% within this calendar year. So in essence, that slowed down the sale of these used vehicles. And so Carvana took a major hit. Let's look at the past year. Carvana is down 98%. I mean, you can pretty much say Carvana went bankrupt. I mean, it's down 98%. But from the depths, it rises. Over the past week, it's up 8%. And on the day, it is up 16%. So some life has been pumped into Carvana. And the thing about it, the reason for that is prices have started to come down. Prices are starting to drop rapidly in the used car market. So tell me, man, y'all go down in the comments. Let me know. Have y'all been seeing this? Have you noticed? Have you been in the market for a car and noticed the prices are starting to come back down? I have been seeing it, even though some of these dealers are kind of fighting and scratching, trying to, they don't want to drop the prices, but they have to move these vehicles, these units off their lot. They can't just let them sit there. So even though the interest rates are higher than they were several months ago, the prices are going down. And in my opinion, it may be best. Now, these are my opinions. This is not advice for you to go buy a car or do anything right now. Do your own research, like I always say, before you buy anything or invest in anything. But if you hold on another month or two or three, you may see these prices dip even more. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen. Now, let's come out of this. Let's look at CarMax real quick. And here we are, CarMax Inc. And this is Cash App investing, if you didn't already know. CarMax is up 3.41% on the day. And over the past week, it is up 8.6%. This is another indicator, like I said, that the used car market, the prices of these vehicles are starting to dip, starting to come down. And that's really great news for the consumer, you guys out there. All right. So this is major. Just so y'all know, this is major news, because a lot of people, I mean, I've never seen that in my lifetime. I've never seen the price of vehicles skyrocket, used vehicles skyrocket within a matter of months like they did when all this inflation hit. I mean, everything went up. Everything went up. And the auto industry was could not escape that, of course. So there you have it. And I tell you what I'm going to do now is show you guys the daily movers, which I normally do that in some of my videos. But today I'm going to show you something a little bit unusual over recent days and weeks. The market is up, and the way you can tell that, first of all, hold on. Let's look at the most traded stocks, which they're up as well. Tesla, another member of the auto industry. Tesla is up 8% on the day. Now, y'all tell me, how long has it been since Tesla saw a gain of 8% in one day, one calendar day? It's been a while. Elon Musk, man, he's been, well, I'll leave that one alone. But, I guess this is probably a breath of fresh air for him. And I'm one of those people, I don't think Tesla is going to completely fall down and crumble, but it's definitely seen better days, but it's going to take some work. He's, in my opinion, he's going to have to step down as CEO and let somebody run this company and get back to the bare bone roots of what made this company great. So there you go. And on the week, it's down 3%, but 8% up on the day. All right. Apple is up 2%. Nvidia up 4%. Amazon up 2%. Let's look at Facebook. Meta, 4% on the day. Check that out. AMD up 3%. Netflix up 5%. Even old Google is up on the day. Look at this. Alibaba, Exxon, and newcomer Broadcom is up 2.3%. So every stock on the mostly traded list is up on the day. So it was a good day, like Ice Cube said. Today was a good day. But that does not mean we will have a repeat of this tomorrow. Probably not. Anyway, then we have our daily movers, which is the biggest swings of the day. And these mostly are no-name stocks, but I want to show you one. This little bitty penny stock right here. And they specialize in cannabis. I've gone over this in other videos. It's bright green. And if you didn't know, they are a provider of cannabis and cannabis-related products and other legal, medical, plant-based therapies. And this company is based in Florida, United States. All right, so as you can see here, they're up 18.4% on the day, 9% on the week. And if you didn't already know, it is a penny stock. It is technically a penny stock. As you can see, it is worth 45 cents a share. So you can buy a whole share of Bright Green for 45 cents. I have actively I've day traded, and I have swing traded this account or this stock, and it's very volatile, but I won't say it's like it doesn't have swings going, just every day up and down. But if you keep an eye on it, and I don't want to use the word time it right, but this is one of those stocks that if you use my strategy of dollar cost averaging on this, and you use my strategy of, when I say buy the dip, meaning you buy in larger increments on the way down, normally this stock is going to recover and make you some nice gains. This is not financial advice, though. Don't listen to me. Do your own research before you invest in any stock or crypto, all right? And so that, I wanted to show y'all that before I ended the video. That's all I have for y'all. Hope y'all had a wonderful holiday, and I want to wish y'all a happy new year out there. And hey, you'll probably get another video from me before the new year, but I just wanted to say that anyway, man. Y'all stay on the lookout. I love all of you. Have a good evening.